Welcome back, my dear subscribers on our channel, and hello to all my viewers. If you there in first time, today I will help you get the maximum bonus up to $515. And first of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the description. Second one, go to the application. If you have an account, then log out of it. After that, you need to click registration. I will choose in one click, it will be faster. You can choose anything else. In current country, you need to choose your current country. Mine is Australia. Alright. Then United Kingdom. Alright. United States and current value to US dollar, and select your bonus on support, accept, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Next, confirm this and tap there. Alright, it's normal. Today I will register my account wherever I go next, and after login we will see our login and password. I recommend it to you to screenshot or write it down and automatically get into the menu. Third step, go to account deposits, and in order to receive bonus you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, support us, support our channel, and if you have any questions, then ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck to all. Have fun.